Namaste from Dhananjaya Kumar and welcome to another video, Great Minds, Great Quotes. I want to thank you for joining this journey. We have made a large number of videos already and will continue to make in the hope that gradually we all will rise to the level of great minds and perhaps even go beyond the mind. So the topic in this video is exploration. And as we all know, at least this much, that all explorations are a natural tendency of human beings. From the beginning of human life or conscious life, we have been exploring. Our ancestors have been exploring. They are exploring objects around them, what they are, where they came from. They are exploring life forms. They are exploring themselves, where we as humans came from, what we are made of. They are exploring distances on earth. If we keep going, where will we reach? Reach oceans, rivers, mountains, more land, more different kind of people around the world, around the earth. Then they look up in the sky and they explore the skies. And today we have gained some knowledge of space. We have learned from those who have explored space. We have reached the moon, the Mars, and observed through satellites and from telescopes other planets, other solar systems, our galaxy, other galaxies, and we are continuing to explore. The exploration never ends, and we learn at each stage of exploration. Another journey of exploration, which is very important, is self-exploration. Not only outside world exploration, self-exploration. About yourself, your body, your breath, your mind, your thoughts, your experiences, your origin, your learning, your growing, your goals, your projects, your interests, your inspirations, your instincts. All these things we have been exploring and learning. So the first quotation is by T.S. Eliot. We shall never cease from exploration, and the end of all our exploring will be to arrive where we started and know the place for the first time. So the first part is very clear. We shall never cease from exploration. It is our nature. And the end of all our exploring will be to arrive where we started. So if you are doing self-exploration, it is journey from self to self. From the small self, small knowledge about self, to a bigger knowledge, bigger understanding of self. So we are starting from ourself, and through that exploration, we learn more about ourselves. And when we know more about ourselves, we have the capacity to know more about everything else. And we find that everything else also has a part of ourselves. So that is one dimension. Another dimension is, if you go around the earth, you come back to the place you started. That's the simplest possible way to understand this quotation. Or, no matter where you go in space, if you go to the end of space, if there is, or end of time, you will return with that knowledge and uplift yourself. So eventually that knowledge is for your own upliftment. So this, I believe, is what Eliot means by at the end of all our exploring will be to arrive where we started and know the place for the first time. Because when you started the journey from any point, you knew less. And when you return from your exploration to the same point, same self, you know yourself and the place you started much better than before. That is why last phrase is, and know the place for the first time. Know means know better. You had some knowledge to begin with. Know the place and yourself better after you have completed one round or that round of exploration. So read it again. We shall never cease from exploration, and the end of all our exploring will be to arrive where we started and know the place for the first time. And the second and last quotation is by Diana Robertson. We may explore the universe and find ourselves, or we may explore ourselves and find the universe. It matters not which of these paths we choose. So there are two paths in this quotation mentioned. One path is to go outside, explore the universe, and then find what our place is in the universe. We discover ourselves. Or we explore ourselves, and through that knowledge and understanding, we learn more about the universe. Both ways we learn more about the universe and yourself, because they move together. Your knowledge of the universe expands and simultaneously your knowledge of yourself increases. Looking at the other way, your knowledge of the self expands and deepens, and similarly your knowledge in parallel about the universe also expands, because yourself and the universe are not only connected, but you are part of the universe. And knowing yourself is same as knowing the universe. And the longer path is to know the universe first, which of course you will never know completely, and you will learn at least more of yourself. So I'll read it again. We may explore the universe and find ourselves, or we may explore ourselves and find the universe. It matters not which of these paths we choose. Thank you for listening, and we'll meet again soon.